Hey GETMADE Squad, it's Janice and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you today by the message you see before you. Sis, never tiptoe through life. Let them hear every mother step you take. Don't dim your light or hide who you are just to spare other people's feelings. Embrace who you are, embrace your talents and skills. Be vocal in what you want. You know, there's a way to express what you want without demeaning someone or bringing someone down or being negative. Just speak up for what you want and what you expect out of this life and what you expect out of people. Not just your intimate relationships, but just in relationships as far as business partners, as far as your kids, as far as your family members, as far as your friends. Set your boundaries. And don't just settle and just accept certain behaviors. You know, speak up for what you want so you can get the most out of your life and be who you are. Embrace who you are. Don't let anyone make you feel bad for the way you want to live your life. As long as you're not hurting anybody, hurting yourself, or hurting anybody else, be who you want to be. Be happy. Let them know, look, I love me. I'm proud of me. I may not be where I want to be, but I'm going to be where I want to be. And here I am. This is me. And you will have to accept me. If they don't want to accept you, that means they don't need to be in your life. But don't tiptoe around. Don't worry about not stepping on toes. If you want that promotion, go after that promotion. Have a scheduled meeting with your boss. Have them sit down and lay out A, B, C, and D on why you deserve that promotion. And if they're not willing to give it to you, hey, find another way, you know, get another job, or, you know, maybe this is the time to go into business for yourself. You know, go into business for yourself. Don't worry about what other people are saying to you. As long as you did your research and you know that you can do this, you can accomplish this, go for it. Go into that meeting with investors, go into that meeting for your loan or your grant, lay out your business plan and get your business together. Understand that sometimes when people negatively criticize you, it's because you have the confidence to go after what you want. You have the confidence that you love yourself and you know you can achieve something. They don't have that confidence, so their comments are coming from a place of insecurity. So around those people, don't tiptoe. Keep going after you want to go after. Keep being you. Keep doing you. Be positive. You know, encourage other people on your way up to the top while they're encouraging you, because you're going to attract people who are on the same mindset as you. They're on the same pathway or the same goal or same ambition as you. So don't worry about those people who have negative criticisms or have negative things to say about you. That's coming from a not so great place. So you don't even need to entertain that. Just go after what you want. All right, guys. So let's get into this video. Hi squad, so this is my first time doing something like this, so I don't have the right setup, but I feel like we can still achieve this tutorial with the setup that I do have. So I am going to give press-on nails one more chance. They get one more chance. That's it. No more. I really want this to work, so here we go. I watched All Day's videos because she's like the press-on queen to me, so I'm hoping I get this right. I ordered some nails from KBDNails. I found them on Etsy. I forgot what, oh I know, I looked at All Day's nails that she had posted and from a company on IG, and I was like, oh, I wonder if there are other companies that do that. And these are nail techs who basically use their skills to create press-on nails. So I'm like, okay, I wonder if there are other ones. And so I found some other companies in addition to the one that she was wearing. So one of the ones I found, like I said, is KBDNails, and it comes in a box like this, and inside the box you have the business card right there. Hopefully that is on screen. And then inside you get your kit. So get the cuticle stick, you get a little cute little mini buffer. Hopefully I'm on screen. I'm trying to see through everything to make sure I'm on screen, guys. So I hope this is going well. Thank you for bearing with me while I try out bringing you guys different things. This is an alcohol prep pad. It also came with this little sticker decal. So the boy thought that this was his little sister's, and he decided to tear it. Now, if you have kids, you already know. Like, she always messes with him. Like, she gives him a hard time. She's like a little bully. But this, she did not egg this on, but he decided to take it upon himself to tear it. And it turned out it was mine. So this was really cute when it first came in. And then I also ordered from her the Nail Lean Ultra Quick Glue. So she highly recommends this particular brand. So I was like, hey, I'm gonna try it instead of the Kiss. I think I usually use the Kiss one. So I was like, hey, let me try it. Maybe I'll get different results. And then I also have my own personal nail file. I don't know if I'll need this, but I'd rather have it here than have to like get up and go get it. So of course you probably want to see like what the nails look like. So with what I have learned so far with these type of press-on nails that you order, these customized ones, is that you want to measure your nails so that they can be customized to fit your actual nail bed. Nothing's wrong with the ones you get from the drugstore, but a lot of times with those, they're not customized to everyone's nail bed. They're just like an average sizing. And so sometimes you'll have to sit there and file them to make them fit, you know, your nail, to make them look as realistic as possible, like you got them done at the nail salon. So the good thing about these is you can either order a sizing kit, or you can order like a full set and of the nail design you want and try them on. So that's the second way you can do it. The third way is that they provide you with a guide on how to find out your nail size. With this, I wanted to get like a ready to ship pair. So with the ready to ship pair, all she had left was a size large. And on the screen, I'll let you know what sizes are the size large. I feel like I'm a large, but two of my nails measure the same. So that's why I didn't get a large. I want to get customized set. But again, this is all she had on stock for ready to ship. Everybody's been trying to do their nails at home, and I'm just late to the party. So because I'm late, I get stuck with what I get stuck with. Not that I'm stuck with it, but you know what I mean. My options are limited. Okay, so let me stop blabbing on and show you guys what's actually in here. So this is the nail kit. Sorry, my daughter. My kids. I took a pretty picture of it for Instagram, but my kids got into it. So here's the set that hopefully you guys can see. Looks like I'm in frame, hopefully so. This is really cute. I really like white on toes. I don't know if anybody else is obsessed with that, but oh my gosh, white toenail polish on toes for every skin type is just, I don't know, it's just like classy, sexy or something. So it's been a minute since I've done like all white on my actual fingernails, so this will be interesting. And they just pop out like that. So we'll just go ahead and arrange them. So let's go ahead and prep the nails. So I'm not expert at this, guys, so don't come for me in the comments. I'm just trying this. As you can see, you already know I wear a fake nail, so the acrylic is kind of growing off. It already messed up the nail beds. So I'm just gonna push the cuticles back on my nails, and these are cleaned. I did wash and clean my. Oh my gosh. Okay, so probably should have like watched more videos on like how to actually use the cuticle stick. So I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna see this video and they're gonna say I'm doing it wrong. And yes, I agree with you. I probably am. And I do apologize because that's really unprofessional to come on here and not do a whole bunch of research. I did research, but I forgot to look up that part to like make sure I was doing it. But I think I did all right for my first time. I mean, anything can be improved, right? So now I am just buffing the nail, each nail, to get off the oil and to really give the glue a surface to really stick to. Alright guys, so here are my nail beds and nails prepped and ready. I did file them down, the link down some, because when I'm at the nail salon and you break a nail, the one I go to, they'll typically just cut this part off. Unless it's a longer nail, then they'll just use that to put the acrylic on top of. But if it's already short and broken off, they go ahead and file it down. So that's exactly what I did. And I bite my nails, guys. Well, actually, I bite around the nail bed, so that's why this part is not very pretty on my nails. That's what happens when I lose a nail, break a nail. I just go to town on this cuticle area. Yum. Okay, so the next step before we actually put these little bad boys on is alcohol prep pad. Oop. And then you just want to clean up the nail, get off the all the stuff you filed off, get that off the nail, because you want the glue to stick so that your nails can last as long as they can. Whew. All right guys, now we are ready to put these bad boys on. I usually add just a little bit of glue to the actual nail itself, and then add some glue to the, add some glue to the press on, and then add glue to my nail, and I let it slide and move. Am I on camera? So hold that down for a few seconds, make sure kind of rotate. Try to remove any nail glue. So that's the only thing, don't go too crazy with the nail glue like somebody you just watched. Make sure that, try to make sure the cuticle still kind of shows so it looks as natural as possible. So there's the, am I on camera guys? There's the pinky. So I just want to make sure that's on. Alright. So just a dot of glue right there. And then some glue there. Making sure that's on straight. And I'm just kind of pressing it. This one is a little too big. As you can see, I probably could have filed that. That's on there. I could have filed this down on the sides. Okay, so this size actually does work for this nail. So I think I'll be okay with whatever this size is. But the index finger and the middle finger, I feel like this nail works for both of them. So it covers, this is just too big for this nail, as you can see right here. And I tried to take it off, but that glue stuck. So it stuck like this until it pops off itself, because it's kind of stuck to the skin too. So I know that's going to cause it, if I hit it the wrong way, this nail's going to pop off anyway. So yeah, let's go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead and do all the other ones, and I'm gonna save this for last because I'm gonna have to reshape this nail. You can either, like I said, measure, use the way they show you how to measure it, which is what I did, and it's not very accurate. You could try to do it yourself, but what I thought I I'm actually not. So I think the best bet to do if you're not familiar with press-on nails and what size you wear, just go ahead and pay some companies charge 2, some charge 3 to send you out the sizing nails. Or if you don't want to go through paying shipping twice, some vendors do offer, like, let's say that this was a set that you wanted, you can go on there and just order like the 20 pieces, and then you can know what size you wear. So and then pay about $5 to $10 more to get, you know, the nails in the different sizes, so you can pick and choose which one you want. And you don't have, those nails don't have to go to waste. You can reuse some of those and mix and match your set, so it's not like they're just getting thrown away, or you can give them to somebody else who might be interested in press-on nails. So I mean, they'll get good use. So I know that the money is a little bit more than paying for a set to get all 20, but you'll use them. Believe me, you will find a way to use those nails, okay? So that way you can see the nails better without the... Aya did this, so I'm doing what she did. See, I told you, Aya's gonna get you in trouble, man. She be reviewing these units and then reviewing these nails and reviewing these makeup products. She be getting me in trouble when I'm trying to, you know, stick to a budget. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think of the nails. Like I said, I do have on the way, I did order another set from a different company, so I'll compare these to those. And then I really do, the customer service is really great for these nails I order off of Etsy. And she does have her own website, but I found her through Etsy. But you can order through Etsy or her website. And she also has IG, and I'll try to include that information on the screen and in the description bar. But yeah, I think I'm going to order another set from her, because I got these really fast, because she's in Louisiana, I'm here in Texas, and we down here in the South, and we got these like boom, bam, boom. I said, order in the cart. She said, ooh, got ordered, let me ship it, place it, boom, bam, got it. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Oh, if you're new to my channel, hello, how's it going? Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. You know, I love the support. I greatly appreciate it. Also, hit the bell so you get notifications when new videos are headed your way. Let me know, guys, do you like these type of videos? Do you like seeing different press-on nails? Again, I'm not an expert at this. Definitely watch videos from actual nail techs who went to school. A lot of them do provide like press-on nail, the way to, you know, can't talk, guys. A lot of the nail techs do have videos showing you how to apply press-on nails, so definitely check them out. You can check out Aya as well, how she does hers. And yeah, I'm gonna get off of here because it's time to go to bed. And yay, I got some pretty nails, guys. All right, thank you for bearing with me through this learning process. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.